Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Ishan Qureshi, and in this video I'm going to explain the circulatory system of man. The learning objectives of today's presentation: the functions of the circulatory system, including the transportation, control, and protection, to identify the cardiac structures, how the heart acts as a pump in the double circulatory system, definitions of the heart rate, stroke volume, and cardiac output, the roles of blood vessels in the circulatory system, how exercises and training affect the circulatory system, and last, the components of the blood. Mainly, there are three important functions of the circulatory system. First one is the transportation of the substances throughout the body. The transportations include the oxygen, glucose, carbon dioxide, nutrients, water, and the waste products. Circulatory system is also responsible to control the body temperature and to protect the body, as the blood contains the cells and the antibodies which fight against the infections and the clotting agents to stop the bleeding. The circulatory system is described as a double circuit system because it has two loops. The deoxygenated blood is pumped from the heart to the lungs through the pulmonary artery. After the oxygenation of the blood, the lungs backs the blood into the heart through the pulmonary vein. The oxygenated blood is pumped at a higher pressure from the heart to the body by the vessel called the aorta, and the deoxygenated blood returns back to the heart through the vena cava. The vena cava may be of two different types: superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. The double circulatory system consists of the two circulation, the pulmonary circulation and the systemic circulation. The pulmonary circulation carries the deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs. Pulmonary circulation also carries the oxygenated blood back to the lungs to the heart. It is ready to be pumped out to the body. The systemic circulation carries the oxygenated blood to the rest of the body through the arteries, and the oxygenated blood back to the heart through the veins. Mainly there are the three types of the blood vessels which are shown in the magnified part of the circulatory system. The first one is the artery. The artery is responsible to carry blood away from the heart. Number two is a capillary, which carries the blood to and from the body cells. And the third last one is the veins, which carries the blood back to the heart. So there is a general question: why are there three different types of the blood vessels? In contrasting the blood vessels, the first we have to discuss the artery. Artery has a thick outer wall. It is a thick inner layer muscles which is made of elastic fibers, and it has a narrow central tube called lumen. In contrast to the artery, the veins have the thin outer wall. It has thin inner layer of the muscle which is made of the elastic fibers and a wide central tube called lumen. Third is the capillary. The capillary has only a one cell thickness. When the blood is flowing against the gravity or when the vein is squeezed by the muscle action, there is a risk that blood will flow in the wrong direction. So in order to prevent the black flow of the blood, the veins have the walls. When the veins walls are open, blood returns to the heart. But when the veins are closed, the blood prevents and does not backflow.